been waiting to sit on this desk for such a long time, dude, on this chair. Ah, god damn, bro. Oh boy, don't I miss it, do I? Oh, right, the video. Hey on folks, it's me, Little Pizza Boy 64, and let me just put down the damn microphone because let me tell you, it's been a good while since I actually recorded a video. Like, it feels so nice doing this again, honestly, because like, look, the board says it itself. I have been doing way too much. Like, dude, it has just been like, dude, that feeling coming back to college. Holy schmoly, like it is. Bro, it is. I did not mean to do that. It is. Well, I guess we're reacting to that. Anyways, I got two reactions that I'm gonna do today. This is one of two that I'm gonna react to. This literally dropped a while ago by UMB4 because, well, go figure. Honestly, just go figure. I am ready. I need to get these reactions in because, like, you know, now we're in the era of no more SMG4. This guy is gone, and now every single fan-made SMG4 video that I watch, I will now have that because it's gonna be the closest thing I get. So, with that in mind, today we got SMG4 fan video. Mario gets his PINGAS stuck in the washing machine. We went from the door to the car door to that one moment with that door in the salami video, the loses salami video. Like, I don't know, can't laugh or something. I don't know. Let's just get into it, you know. Oh god, he made his own. But anyways, this is so nice.
9, 8, 7.
Okay, so they're playing hide and seek.
What the hell is this?
Don't tell me you don't know what a washing machine is.
Got your ass now.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hang on real quick. Sorry about that. I don't know. Something weird. I don't know.
My fingers burn.
Hey, that's his life though. And now we're back to it.
Mamma mia.
I'd imagine that it would.
No.
It's another one of them business as usual things. But yeah, again, business as usual. That's all it is. Oh, but they feel bad. Okay, they're gonna help out. Even though I wouldn't imagine how this moment's gonna work. This ain't gonna go well. You know what? Y'all kind of deserve that. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
His fingers really is stuck.
Why do you guys keep laughing at Mario getting his PINGAS stuck?
He's gotten his fingers stuck countless of times before. Actually,
Yeah.
it's only twice, and this time it's the third.
Oh, that seems like a Mario thing to do.
Yeah. But I would want to get it out.
We're onto it.
All right, guys, let me handle this.
Nope.
Damn it, stop moving. Hold still.
Oh shit.
Let go. Don't help Mario out.
No! No!
What the fuck?
Oh, that poor guy.
Yes, I know who to call.
Ooh.
Peter, that dumbass got his finger stuck.
Again. You remember the last time they got involved?
How will we get up there?
Can't this thing fly?
No, the fuck it can't.
Alright, Mario, let's go bring it down.
Yeah, bro's out. Bro's out of it. Come on, give him a break. Touch.
Hey, Mario, there's some spaghetti.
Of course that works. Alright, Alright, SMG3s, coughing bombs.
Are we really going to use the tank to help Mario out? And why put Mario right in front of my cafe?
Wow, that's a really good
I'll
SMG3
take it
impression.
from here.
That's a great
What,
VA
mate?
guy. UMB4.
I said I'll take it from
Fun
here.
to
I'm guess who? So they really just throwing in everything from, you know. Well, that's one way to, yeah, to get rid of them.
What the
Damn it, Swag. You blew up the cafe.
Yeah, like a real guy.
I stopped the invasion.
But at what cost?
Mamma mia!
And no, you're not out of the. No, you're still.
Well, shit.
Where are we?
A construction site.
How's that going now?
You better hold still this time.
We got that.
I guarantee you that's gonna break.
I give up.
Looks like Bob can't fix it.
Yeah. Can't you just like take apart the washing machine one by one? You know?
We're not giving up on you yet. Aha! Urusai wa ne. We attach a laundry machine to the excavator, then pull it away.
This poor dude.
Hit it, Bob.
He's gonna break the wall. Oh. Okay, now the RV. The rope breaks. Yep. Next.
We're back, bitches.
Swag, can we just help Mario?
No.
Yes.
It's not. It's not. Yeah, there you go. There you go. I was like, when is that gonna fall?
Mamma mia!
Oh, the death fridge. Oh no!
Of course. It has to be. He's my son. Unbelievable.
Stop it. Stop it, okay?
Okay.
All right.
He's free though. Oh. That's so fucked up. That's so fucked up. That's so fucked. Okay. Anyways, bro, that's so messed up. Why did he have to do Mario like that at the end? There's no, just no. You can't do that to bro. Okay. Anyways, I take back that was an impressive SMG3 because AI was involved, so I take that back. First off. Second of all, title's pretty self-explanatory. This was like, that happened. And, bro is now just legless. I mean, once the next UMB4 video drops, it's just like, we're back to it, Anyways, though, absolute banger. That's all I would give. Absolute banger. I liked it. It was funny. Nice callbacks to the other times that Mario's, got stuck. Nice callback on that regard. And just an interesting pace. The last times it really was just the bros. nice to see, you know, the girls be involved for some reason. Like, I don't know why. I just find it a little funny. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I mean, what can you really do in that regard? I mean, shit. If I would never want to be in Mario's situation like that. Okay, I'm just keeping it honest. So yeah. But I think that's pretty much all I could give at that point. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, follow the socials, you know, join everything. For me, honest thoughts. And with that in mind, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And now the first of many fan-made SMG4. It's gonna be fine. Later.